Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. And you have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search at the bottom. Click at the search line at the top and write EDIFIER. Now search and scroll down. You should install the application what called EDIFIER CONNECTS. Now open it, agree, allow, and now we can go to the settings and add these headphones here. And in the next video I'm going to show you how to add it, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!